Today I decided to review the top 5 best cheap espresso machine under $100 in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I trying to list them based on that price, quality, durability and more. So let's get started with the video. At number 1. Mr. Coffee. Steam heat feature forces hot steam through the filter for dark, rich espresso brew. Frothing arm makes creamy froth to top off your cappuccinos and lattes. Easy pour glass carafe serves up to 4 shots. Removable, washable drip catcher collects coffee drips and keeps brew space tidy. Number 2. Bella. Easy brewing. This personal espresso maker takes the guesswork out of coffee making with an easy pour glass decanter, frothing steam wand and detachable permanent filter basket. Brew lattes, americanos, cappuccinos and macchiatos with a simple turn of a knob. No mess espresso. The steam pressurized safety cap and removable drip tray prevent accidental leaks, and the permanent filter basket is easily detachable for easy cleaning. Be your own barista. Espresso maker allows you to channel your inner barista. The steam wand quickly warms and froths milk too, so you can turn plain espresso into a fancier latte or cappuccino, enabling you to make cafe-quality beverages at home. Number 3. Hamilton Beach. Cafe-quality results. No fuss milk frother, lets you enjoy cappuccino too. Powerful 15-bar Italian pump. Make sure that the coffee grounds are not overpacked in the filter. Simple push-button operation. Easy fill removable reservoir. Number 4. Yabano. Easy operation. Steam espresso machine is very easy to use for beginner without requiring much techniques and skills. It can make up to 4 cups espresso coffee at the same time, serving delicious espresso, cappuccinos and lattes for yourself, your friends and family. Steam wand. Espresso coffee maker come with a built-in steam wand. You can enjoy cappuccino and latte with creamy and rich foam at any time at home. Compact design. It's small and compact, doesn't take up much counter space. Great for easy handling and storage. Easy to clean. The portafilter, nozzle and drip tray can be easily removed, makes it very easy to clean. Number 5. Capresso. Fast and consistent. 15 bars pump stainless steel lined thermoblock provides the ultimate crema. Filter includes 1 sieve for single or double espresso brewing. Easy to clean. Innovative self-locking filter holder makes cleanup a breeze. Removable water tank. Convenient filling with 42-ounce removable water tank. Perfect froth. High-pressure frothing creates the perfect frothing action for cappuccinos or lattes. Stainless steel with black accents. So if you're looking for quality and price, then this would be the perfect option for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price in more information about these coffee machine, you can check out the links in the description and the comment section below, and if you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.